Welcome to Asimcode. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn about names for variables in C++. We have to follow some naming rules in C++. In names, we can use alphabetical characters, digits, and underscore characters. The first character in a name cannot be a digit. It is case sensitive. That means uppercase characters are considered distinct from lowercase characters for variable names. C++ places no limits on the length of a variable name. You cannot use a C++ keyword for a name that we also looked in our other lesson in detail. And names begin with a 2 underscore character or with an underscore character followed by a uppercase letter or reserve. Let's see a simple example of this. I will use some valid and invalid names. First, I'm going to just do a valid of data type int, and this is some variable name age, and it is set to 20. So this one is valid, and now I'm going to do invalid one. I'm going to use int and then age 2, or I'm just gonna use any other variable name. Int none of cars, and that will be 30, the number of cars. And this one is invalid because we need to have lowercase I for integer, not uppercase, so this is invalid. I will just add a comment over here. We will also learn about comments in our other lesson. And now I'm going to give another example of valid and invalid. For example, I'm going to use again the int data type, and then variable name double, and set to some value. It's just 10. Now this one is invalid because double is also a data type, so you cannot use the reserve keywords for variable names. So this one is invalid too. And then I will declare another variable of data type int, and its variable name will be for age. This is set to 60. This one is invalid too because the variable name cannot start with a digit. And see another example of invalid. Let's be int data type, and I will name it variable car speed, set to 100. And this one is invalid too because we cannot have hyphen in our variable name, this one over here. So these are the simple example of how not to use invalid variable names in your program. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Asimcode keeps supporting me, and thank you for watching.